As you can see, it is a Go Upholds recording day over here, but I just could not wait to tell you about the new tool I just discovered and been testing for the last few weeks. Now, which is this new tool that I discovered and just could not wait to tell you about? Have you heard about Easil? Easil is like Canva on steroids. Yes, I know. I always like everything on steroids. It's just my personality. Now, why do I love Easil and why did I just never really catch on Canva? So I know Photoshop, I do a lot of graphics design myself, I work with the team, all those kind of things. But I always was looking for a tool that can fill in when I just need to get something done fast, when I want to work with a template, social media posts, quotes, all those kind of things that can take quite long, even if you have a template in Photoshop. It just is what it is. And I've always been hesitant about using Canva. They have a track record of it just being down by the end of the month because they are not allocating the resources that is needed for all the people needing to get work done by the end of the month. And some of their templates just feel, how do I say that? Not at the quality that I would like. It just didn't click for me. So I've been looking and I've been doing and things just have never really worked out, and nothing that I 1000% like where I'm like, I really stick to this. This is really doing what I needed to do. And through a Facebook group that I'm in with Stephanie Liu, her group, social media strategist, I heard about Easil and I'm like, my tool spidey senses are going off. Let's check this out. So I spent the last, I need to say a lie, 3-4 weeks in the trial, testing everything out, bugging the living heck out of customer support. And I have to tell you, that chat support, being able to get response back fast. Remember, they are located over in Australia, so there is a little bit of time difference. But you do get somebody on the line. Not like with Canva where there's nobody you actually really can talk to and it takes forever to get a response for anything on their Twitter support or wherever you finally get a hold of them. And I reached out to them and I'm like, cool, I like this, but I need that template and those layouts and those layouts. And within 24 hours, I had the first batch of new graphics in a layout that I was looking for, and at 48 hours they doubled it up. It is their response time, their capability, their scaling capability. So with the issues that we had over on Canva, I messaged them and I'm like, hey, I cannot do this. I need to be able to reach the tool and be able to work with it no matter the time of the day, no matter the day of the month. I need to be able to get this done. So I was able to even build a friendship with them and find out more. So they are working on a major upgrade. And if you are running a social media agency or a marketing agency, you really want to start, check out the trial now. Jump in the chat, jump in the Facebook group they have, get some information about the release that's coming up, and then put that release to the test. I've had the chance to beta test it. It is blown my mind. The efficiency that you will be able to get for your agency to work with your team, to work with clients. Ooh, there is going to be something amazing in that release. If you are working with clients and you do not want to do this tweak and that tweak and this tweak and that tweak, and you don't want your client to be able to screw up the graphic either, I already told too much. Don't tell them I told you. Shh. If you are looking for a graphic design tool that is easy to use, that is reliable, and that has graphics that look like they are coming from a graphics designer, you need to get that. If you are an agency or a social media marketing agency and you want to be able for your clients to work with graphics, you need to test drive it too. And you need to check out their new release and their upgrade that's coming within the next month. They are literally just making sure everything goes smooth. Let me know below. Have you used Easil before? Do you just hear about it? Go test it and let me know what you think about Easil right in the comments below. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you always get notified when I share new tools, how-to videos, or lesson learned. I'll see you soon.